Hello friends, in this video I am going to cover the topic of Defense of India Act 1915. Defense of India Act 1915 was an emergency criminal law enacted by the Governor General of India Lord Charles Hardinge. It was passed as a temporary wartime measure that lasted for the entire duration of World War I and was to expire 6 months after. The act gave the government of British India special powers to deal with the threats of Indian revolutionaries during the First World War. This act played a crucial role in keeping the activities of the Anushalan Samiti and Gada threats under control. A special tribunal was set that dealt with such cases. Records suggest that by 1918, 1800 prisoners were detained under the Defense of India Act 1915. The enactment of the law saw 46 executions and 64 life sentences handed out to revolutionaries, crashing the revolutionary movement. Thanks for watching this video.